Hello and welcome to Cinikari Movie Reviews. This is Shikha and it's time for some entertainment. Directorial debut of Sajid Farhad, entertainment stars Akshay Kumar, Tamanna Bhatia, Krishna Abhishek, Johnny Liver and our very own future superstar Junior. आपको नहीं पता कौन है? Take a look.
ही है पन्नालाल जोहरी के वारिस, इनका नाम एंटरटेनमेंट है।
Sajid Farhad have written films like the Golmaal series, Bol Bachchan and Chennai Express. Is this slapstick comedy any different than the rest of them? Is entertainment any entertaining? Let's find out.
Akhil, played by Akshay Kumar, is living in abject poverty, doing 4 jobs a day to earn for his ailing father. It turns out that his father has been faking the illness because he isn't his own son. While tracking back, Akhil discovers that he is the son of Bangkok's diamond merchant Pannalal Johri, played by Dalip Tahil. When Akhil reaches Bangkok, he discovers that he must fight the heir of his father, Entertainment, played by Junior, to get the 300 crore worth property of his deceased father. Then begins the tussle between Entertainment and Akhil over the property. To know who wins this tussle, you will have to watch the full movie.
I'd like to begin with the comedy aspect of the film. Akshay Kumar totally works when it comes to dry humor. Akshay Kumar and Abhishek's jodi just about managed to create a few genuinely hilarious moments. They've used a lot of puns, sarcasm and references to Bollywood films and actors in the script. The film is kind of funny talking about just the first half of the film. Twitter पे है trending Sunday वीर दी wedding है. Oh, you guys are back talking about the music. All the numbers are pretty catchy. Be it Johnny Johnny, Tera Naam Du or Tere Veer the wedding, all the 3 numbers are already causing a rage. Don't forget to listen to all 3 of them. Now I'm going to talk about our future superstar Junior. He plays the character of Entertainment in this film. That dog is pretty well trained and he plays his character with class. Which brings me to the next point, the message this film tries to give out. It's pretty cool. It tells you about how you must love your pets and that they will entertain you for the rest of your life. So over here, this dog Entertainment, he teaches humans about humanity. There were very few jokes that made me laugh out loud. The remaining I felt were a waste of talented actors and footage. Too repetitive and not funny at all. What annoyed me the most was the fact that actors like Johnny Liver and Sonu Sood were misused big time. Johnny Liver could have added way more comedy in this film, and Sonu Sood, have you forgotten that you've done a film like Dabangg? Coming to Tamanna Bhatia, she is the one who should not be named. With this film, she completes the 3rd mistake of her life. The first one being Himmatwala and the second one Hamshakals. Girl, please read the script before you sign it. The film does not connect with me emotionally. Most of the scenes fall flat. There were times when tears would well up slightly and they're all ready to fall, but they just don't because the scenes are not convincing enough. Well, that's where it gets frustrating. So overall, Entertainment is a time pass film. I'm sure the kids will love it, so take them along. And for the pet lovers, I think you might like this one. So I'm going to give Entertainment 2.5 plus that extra 0.5 for Entertainment the dog. तो फिर आ गए फ्री का फुटेज खाने.
क्यों तुम प्रोड्यूसर हो?
I punch you, Ronnie. Just go. This is my movie review.
क्यों तुम बॉक्सर हो?
कपड़ों की तरह निचोड़ के ना धो के रख दूंगी.
तो अभी हो?
तुम लोग इसको छेलो. मैं चल.
Hello. If you are bored of Shikha's nonsense, then you can watch my review Guardians of the Galaxy. And on a more serious note, you can support our cause Save the Yazidis with the hashtag Save the Yazidis by sharing on social media and calling out to your leaders to take some action against the ISIS. Until next week, see you.
While the world focused on Gaza, tens of thousands of Iraqis who are members of a persecuted religious minority known as Yazidi are currently trapped on a mountain, besieged by Islamic State fighters. When Chili's Entertainment Private Limited announced the first look of its Diwali release, Happy New Year. It will be releasing on 14th August at Sahara Star Hotel in Mumbai.